we're heading down to the pool. So, both this lighting. Lighting doesn't, but it's okay because we're gonna get tan. Hey guys, we're gonna go dip our toes in the water.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm.
Going down to the pool. So excited. We might take some pictures.
Look at how sunburned my sun got a little toasted. Like right under my eye.
We're at dinner. I have a mocktail. I forgot what flavor it is, but it's water.
Our own mix.
Hey guys, we're getting ice cream right now. We just had din din. Much needed. Very yummy, but we really need ice cream. Whoa there. Should I yell yo? Yo! Yo! Hey guys, we're at the pool getting our tan in. I can't even see, it's so bright, I can't see the screen. It's very warm. It is. It's 75 right now. UV is like 4 or 3. It's supposed to get up to 5, which is good for us. We got up early because we wanted to see the sunrise, and then we were like, got up before the sunrise rose, and we were like, oh, the sunrise is like that, like it already happened. So we went back to bed, and then my mom was trying to do this, and she was like, it's such a beautiful sunrise. We're like, what's that? So we're gonna try to do this one. Also, we were just sitting on Instagram Reels since TikTok is now banned, and we cannot go on TikTok. It's a negative 25 degrees back right now. This is actually crazy. We also got some Starbucks. I got an iced chai with almond milk.
I got a mocha frappuccino and it tastes like a chocolate shake from McDonald's.
It's so yummy. So nice.
Oh, crap.
Love. And we also got a chocolate muffin that we all shared. It was really yummy. Do they bite, you think? Guys, it's, what time is it? 11:52, and we've been tanning for that minute. We got in the pool. I can't, it's really windy, but it's sunny, so hopefully we get some tan. There's any, I literally can't see. Oh, hopefully we're getting some tan lines. I don't even know if we recorded it, but it did, yeah. Guys, TikTok's already back. It's been like 5 hours. So we did make a TikTok.
Ma'am, this is a 300-pound weight limit.
I don't weigh no 300 pounds. I weigh 155. I'll show you how fast good on that slide.
Boom, 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 boom. It's 83 or something right now. Yeah, basically. We're gonna go in a little bit. We'll see
ironic because this is the side that didn't get tan yesterday. But yeah, oh, here comes the sun again. Cresting is back up. Ladies. Like, see through there. Hey guys, we're heading to dinner. Oh, should give a little fit check. Yes.
So I have this top from Target and these pants are Sonia's. They're from Addicted. Love. This top is from Emerson, from Shein. And then this skirt is from Emerson, from Express. And then the, ooh, hello. Can you blow that if I flash my cooch? And then my shoes are from Steve Madden. And then I have like these little necklaces that match it and like earrings.
I have this set that's Abby's from Shein. And then my Steve Madden sandals. And yeah. We just took pictures. Okay, the tail lights like show up really good right now. Okay, yes. Like get this one. Has to show the good tail lights. We're going to Din Din right now. Din Din. My feet are all sandy now. It's very, very pretty here. Okay guys, we have dessert. Brownie sundae.
I will, it's for the plot.
So he's gonna walk down and order coffee like this.
I'm gonna walk like this.
Okay guys, we're going to get coffee. What if there's someone in the elevator with us? It's okay. Should we have your water break while we're down there?
Because it'll be like, how far along are you?
Can you say, what are you talking about? I'm not pregnant.
This is really getting me.
Hey.
If someone's in the elevator, I'm turning away and I'm going like this.
Feels like here.
No, it's fine. I just stopped for a minute.
Oh, hell no. Sonia, come on. No, that's literally. Sonia, oh, please. I'll do it. Sonia, I'll do it.
Okay, change of plans. Emerson's got the baby bump now. Emerson, get away.
Feels disrespectful.
Put your hand in.
I told you.
I'll do it.
That looks real. That actually looks real.
Plans because these two are too scared to do it.
Okay guys, we're gonna give a brand new mouth pop.
I got this little t-shirt and it has like a flower on it.
Did you parallel park this sucker?
I did.
Oh my word, lady.
And
You
the
are a
little
good driver.
like lace long sleeve.
Southeast first.
He was like holding his thumb.
You can't really see it.
Turn left.
That's what I got. I got this like navy hoodie, this like sweatshirt, and then matching with Sonia, this little like heart necklace, and then these like wide leg
At the
kind
right,
of waffle
turn right onto South Swinton Avenue. Then turn
sweatpants.
left.
This white top. It's kind of like
That's like the same one I got, but mine's like a
Yeah,
I got that
material.
too.
really.
Yeah. Me and my mom both got some, so she's a hefty bag. This is the same one that Abby got.
With
the twin.
Blue. Yes. These
Which is
people
funny,
like
like,
bow
I'm
socks.
resting
So
really
like
close
those
to
are
getting
Uggs, and I think then
Mm-hmm.
I got this long sleeve top. We're all giving this. And this shirt.
Oh, that's so cute.
Top. And then I got this little bag, and I'm either gonna use it for a makeup bag or for a pencil case.
Oh my gosh, that's
I can't
adorable.
decide which yet. Maybe makeup. This sweater, same exact one, but as a zip. These sage green like pants that I will be stealing. This blue tank
Continue
top.
on West Atlantic Avenue
And the
for
same one
3/4
as
of a
Abby.
mile.
It's like light gray, white, little long sleeves.
So cute.
So cute. I don't know how to turn it off.